Higher heat pump water heater. High-quality enamel tank. Offers a longer service life and stable heating performance. Refrigerant type R290. Upgraded for R290 Refrigerant microchannel. 1 mm super thin flow path, lower resistance, faster flow speed, and higher thermal efficiency. Efficiency 75% energy saving. Dual power heating. In the cold winter, the compressor increases input power. Monitors the operating temperature through multi-touch. Meet various water usage needs.